welcome back to my channel Sharing Knowledge video tutorial. In this video tutorial, learn you how to check if your system has Trusted Platform Model TPM for a Windows 11 upgrade. TPM, Trusted Platform Model, is an international standard for a secure cryptoprocessor, a dedicated microcontroller designed to secure hardware through integrated cryptographic keys. TPM robust ecosystem allows you to rapidly generate code and develop your applications. It will implement secure authentication with hardware-based private key storage. Currently, a TPM is used by nearly all PC and notebook manufacturers. Let's see how to check if your system has Trusted Platform Model TPM for a Windows 11 upgrade. Okay, let's start. Follow these steps. Step number 1. Check TPM using EPPMSC. Open the Run dialog box by pressing Windows logo key +R. In the Open Run dialog box field, type TPM.MSC and hit Enter to open TPM Management. Once open the TPM Management, you will see if the TPM is present on your device or not. These are the specifications that you should look out for and must be present to enable device encryption. If the TPM is not found or disabled in the UEFI BIOS, then you will see the error message, compatible TPM cannot be found. Okay, that's it. Step number 2, check TPM using Device Manager. Right click on the Start menu, then click on Device Manager. In the Device Manager, click on Security Devices to expand the option. It will show you what type TPM chip you have. If it says Trusted Platform Model 2.0, your acceptation is successful. Okay. Step number 3, check TPM using Windows PowerShell. Right click on the Start menu. From the menu, click on Windows PowerShell Admin. In the PowerShell Admin field, type get-tpm and hit Enter. For a while, if the TPM available on your PC, in the result, you will see this type of command: TPM present true, TPM ready true, TPM enabled true, TPM activated true. If the TPM available on your PC, if it's disabled on your PC. However, the UEFI method will allow you to find the TPM chip and enable it if it's disabled for some reason as well. You need to open the system BIOS utility. Okay. Step number 4, check TPM using command prompt. Open the command prompt, click on the search icon from the taskbar, then type CMD. In the search result, you will see command prompt. Then right click on the command prompt and then select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt field, type this command: WMIC // namespace column // root / capital letter CIMV2 / security / Microsoft TPM path win32 _ TPM get / value and then press Enter. If the TPM available on your PC, in the result you will see this type of command: activated in initial value true, enabled initial value true, found initial value true. Okay. If you cannot see this result on your PC, however, the UEFI method will allow you to find the TPM chip and enable it if it's disabled for some reason as well. You need to open the system BIOS utility. Okay. Step number 5, check TPM on UEFI BIOS. Open the Windows settings by pressing Windows logo key +I. Scroll down and select Update and Security. On the left pane of your screen, select the recovery option. Then on the right pane under Advanced Startup, click on Restart Now. After for a while, then you will see a blue screen window like this. Choose an option. Keep in mind, here do not double click on the selected options. Okay. Then select Troubleshoot with a single click. Then select Advanced Options with a single click. And then select UEFI Firmware Settings. Then click on restart to reboot the system. After for a while, then it will present a list of options associated with different keys. Now we want to access the BIOS setup utility page. Press F10 key to access the BIOS setup utility page. From the BIOS setup utility page, use your right arrow key to move to the security settings tab. Keep in mind, the UEFI settings are usually different per manufacturer and even per computer model. As a result, you may need to check your manufacturer support website for more specific details on reaching the security settings. Okay. Then under security settings page, you will see TPM state if it's available on your PC. Then arrow key move down to TPM state and hit enter. Then TPM state if it's disabled, then use the arrow key to select enable it and press enter. Next, to save the change and exit, press F10. Select yes and press enter. You are done. Once complete the steps, you will know whether the device has trusted platform module to install Windows 11 when it becomes available. That's it. Okay. I hope this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching and supporting. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Your contribution is more confidence. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you next video. Bye. Take care.